Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to add or remove the follow button on your Facebook profile. It's super easy, so let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is open the Facebook app on our phone. From here, you need to click on the three horizontal line or the profile icon located at the top right corner of your screen. From here, I need you to scroll down to Settings and Privacy and click on Settings. Now this will give you a bunch of options. Now I need you to scroll down until you find Followers and Public Content. As you can see at the very first option, you can see who can follow me. Click on that. And if ever that you want to add the follow button, you just need to click on public. But if you want to remove the follow button, change it to friends. And that's it. That's how you add or remove the follow button on your Facebook profile. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.